Most digital microscopes feel like a compromise, but this one actually tries to solve the biggest headache for anyone working with coins or circuit boards: space. You know how frustrating it is when you have to constantly fiddle with the stand just to get a full view of a silver dollar. The 10-inch pillar here fixes that right out of the box. It gives you enough clearance that you aren't constantly bumping into the lens, which is a massive relief when you're trying to focus on a tiny solder joint or a specific mint mark. The screen is a 10-inch panel, and honestly, having that extra real estate makes a world of difference compared to those cramped 7-inch models. It feels like you can actually see what you're doing without squinting. The image quality is sharp, and the 3K resolution really does show off details that would just be a blur on a standard screen. It's not just about the resolution, though. The way the light is handled is pretty clever. There is a touch-sensitive bar for the LEDs, which is a nice touch because you don't have to fumble for a physical switch or a dial that might shake the whole setup while you're trying to get a steady shot. It feels solid too. The metal construction gives it a bit of weight, so it doesn't feel like a cheap toy that's going to tip over the second you touch it. Now, it isn't perfect. While the zoom range is impressive on paper, once you push it toward the higher end, you're going to need a very steady hand or a perfectly flat surface, because any vibration is magnified instantly. It's just the nature of high magnification optics, but it's something to keep in mind. Also, while the plug-and-play functionality with a PC is great for grabbing screenshots or recording, the interface on the device itself can be a little bit menu-heavy if you're trying to change settings on the fly. You'll probably find yourself setting it up once and then just leaving it alone. For anyone doing electronics repair or just geeking out over coin collections, this thing is a serious step up. It's one of those tools that just gets out of your way and lets you see the tiny details you've been missing. If you're tired of fighting with your gear, this is definitely worth a look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.